Wavlink Docking Station HDMI problems often stem from connectivity flaws. The primary causes are faulty HDMI cables or outdated device drivers. Start by ensuring your HDMI cable is certified to HDMI 2.0 or higher to support 4K resolutions and high refresh rates. Next, update your computer's graphics drivers through Device Manager or the manufacturer's website for Intel or NVIDIA. Driver incompatibility causes nearly 40% of display issues, so update monthly to keep your system running smoothly. These steps resolve the majority of Wavlink HDMI connectivity failures. If basic troubleshooting fails, confirm your Wavlink docking station receives sufficient power, at least 60 watts. Insufficient power can disrupt HDMI signal transmission, causing failures. Next, use built-in tools like Windows Display Settings to diagnose EDID mismatches, which occur when the docking station and display fail to properly communicate their capabilities. Looking ahead, future trends favor USB-C docking stations with DisplayPort over USB-C or DP alt mode for more reliable video connections as HDMI becomes less prominent. AI-driven diagnostics in Wavlink's companion software will soon automatically detect and fix common HDMI problems through intelligent analysis. Wireless HDMI is also emerging on the horizon, potentially eliminating cable woes and making connections more convenient. With careful troubleshooting, most HDMI failures can be resolved.